Hello everyone, this is Jyotsna. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will see what is quality assurance, what is quality control, and the difference between quality assurance and quality control in software testing. So, starting with what is quality assurance. So, quality assurance can be defined as part of the quality management focused on providing confidence that the quality requirements will be fulfilled. As the name suggests, assurance. Assurance means giving the confidence, giving the assurance about something. Okay, so it is the assurance of for the quality of our product. Means quality assurance is a process which assures that the quality of the product it is getting fulfilled with respect to the requirements. Okay, so the next is quality assurance comprises administrative and procedural activities implemented in a quality system so that requirements and goals for the product, service, or activity will be fulfilled, as I said previously. So it is the systematic measurement, comparison with the standards, monitoring of a processes, and associated feedback loop that confirms error prevention. So it is like a prevention measure technique or prevention measure process for software testing. Okay, so in this image, you can see quality control comes under quality assurance and quality assurance come under quality system. So if we have our quality system, software testing quality system, then first come quality assurance, which is at the start of the testing life cycle. So, and in that, one part comes under quality control. Okay, so the next is what is quality control? Quality control comes after quality assurance, and quality control can be defined as a part of quality management focus on fulfilling quality requirements. Here, the main purpose for quality control process is to ensure that the software product meets the actual requirements by testing and reviewing its functional and non-functional requirements. After quality assurance is done, we do quality control. So there are some major differences between quality assurance and quality control. I have mentioned here around 10 differences between quality assurance and quality control. So QA, quality assurance also called as QA, quality control also called as QC. The first difference here for quality assurance, it is a procedure that focuses on providing assurance that the quality requested will be achieved. And in quality control, it is a procedure that focuses on fulfilling the quality requested. Quality assurance, it is a process oriented activity. So here, quality control is product-oriented activity. It consists of all the activities related to the product-oriented, and for quality assurance, process-oriented. Next difference is quality assurance aims to prevent the defect. So we have defect prevention techniques which we use in quality assurance. Whereas quality control aims to identify and fix defects, means when after the product is built and it is given for testing, tester tests the product for the defects. So it comes under quality control. Before before delivering or before building the product or software, we do quality assurance. Quality assurance always based on documentation. The next difference is does quality assurance does not involve executing the program. We don't need to execute the program. We can refer to the requirement documents. Based on that, we can have quality assurance process started. For quality control, we need we need the program to execute. We need the software to test for quality check. Okay, for quality control. Next is, as I said, it's a prevention techniques. We prevent the defect or the errors in systems. But in quality control, it's a corrective techniques. Means what? Product is already built. We are correcting. We are finding the defects and correcting or fixing the defects here in correction techniques. So we call it as corrective technique. It is also called as proactive measure because the Proactive means previously active measurement is taken here for quality assurance, and for quality control it's a reactive measure. So we are reacting over the software, we are testing the software after software is built, so it comes under quality control. Next is quality assurance is a procedure to create the deliverables. Deliverables means what? All the test requirement documents. Means testing documents we are creating here, which we called as deliverables. For quality control, it's the procedure to verify that deliverables. So these deliverables we verify here in quality control. Okay, the deliverable, for example, test plans, test cases, test strategies, we do all here. We create these deliverables here in quality assurance, and in quality control we check these or verify these deliverables. Next difference is QA involves in full software development life cycle. Okay, it's we start QA at the start of software development life cycle, and it involves in a whole software development life cycle. But quality check control, uh, quality control, this comes after software is built. So it involves in full software testing life cycle only. So software testing life cycle, it's a part of software development life cycle, and QA involves in full software development life cycle, but QC involves in only software testing life cycle. Next is it is performed before quality control. So here quality assurance will always start at the start of software development life cycle. So it will always be performed before quality control, and for quality control it is always be performed after quality assurance process. Next and last difference is it requires the involvement of whole team. We need whole team for quality assurance process, but for quality check, or we also call as quality check for quality control. Quality control, it requires the involvement for the testing team only, because it is done by in software testing life cycle by testing team. So these are the main most important differences between quality assurance and quality control. So this is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching the video.